In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a UK PayPal account to Payoneer and withdraw funds. First, open your web browser and sign into your Payoneer account. From your dashboard, look for bank accounts or receiving accounts. This is where Payoneer provides local bank details you can use to receive funds. Choose GBP, the British pound option, to display your UK receiving account details. You should see key information like the account number and sort code. Carefully copy these details and double check that you've captured them accurately. It's important that the number, format, and spacing are correct, and remember to keep these details private. Next, open a new tab and log into your UK PayPal account. On the PayPal home screen, go to Wallet. This is where you manage cards and bank accounts connected to PayPal. Click Link a bank account, then choose the UK bank account option. When prompted, paste or type in the Payoneer UK account number and sort code you copied earlier. Review everything to make sure the information matches exactly, then click Link Bank to proceed. If PayPal requests verification, complete that step by confirming the small deposits PayPal sends to the Payoneer account you just linked. These are tiny amounts used to verify ownership. You may need to wait until they appear in your Payoneer transactions. When they do, return to PayPal and enter the exact amounts to confirm. Follow the on-screen prompts until PayPal marks the bank as verified. Once the bank is successfully linked, go back to your PayPal home screen, choose Transfer Funds or Withdraw Money. Select the linked Payoneer UK bank account as your destination. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and review any notes about timing or fees before confirming the transfer. When everything looks right, finalize the withdrawal. At this point, your money will move from PayPal to your Payoneer account. Transfers typically land within a few business days, though timing can vary based on processing windows and holidays. You'll be able to track the payment in your PayPal activity and then see it reflected in your Payoneer balance once it clears. If you're withdrawing a larger amount, make sure your PayPal and Payoneer account names match and that you stay within any withdrawal limits to avoid delays. That's it. Your UK PayPal account is now linked to Payoneer, and you can withdraw your PayPal funds straight into your Payoneer GBP receiving account whenever you need.